Okay, now we're going to learn how to divide two digits into the numbers inside the division box. Up until now, I've only used one digit with you guys, so now I'm going to show you what you're going to do here. So what you do is you round off this to the nearest 10, and then you use that rounded number just to guide you into the first digit to see what you think it would take up there as the answer. So this will be easy because we know our 12 times table, but sometimes we don't know the times tables of whatever the divisor is. But let's in any way for this purpose just round this down to 10, because you're going to round it to the nearest 10, so that will be a 10. 10 will fit into 14 once, so let's go write that down. Right, so we're going to write a 1. Okay, so we've done our divide step. Now we're going to do our times step. What are we going to times? We're going to times the 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, we've done our times step. Now it's our minus step, so we're going to minus 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is nothing. Done our minus step. Now we're doing our bring down step. What have we got still left to bring down? We've got this 4 here. So it's going to stand there. Done our bring down step. Now we're going to go right to the beginning again and start dividing. Now we don't divide on the second round in here again. We divide into the number we've just written down. Okay, so 12 into 24, we know we'll go twice. So let's go write 2 on the answer top here at the box. Okay, so we've done our divide step. Now we're going to times. What are we going to times? We're going to times 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, times step is done. Now we're doing our minus step. 4 minus 4 is nothing. And 2 minus 2 is nothing. And there you can see it's as easy as that. Okay, now we're going to divide 22 into 462. Now we don't know our 22 times table, so the best is to round this to the nearest 10 and then use that to guide us into 46. So 22 would round to 20 and 20 would fit into 40, 46, let's say twice. So let's go put a 2 there for our divide answer. That's a 2, so we've done our divide step. Now we're going on to our times step. We're going to times 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, that's our times step done. Now our minus step. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 4 minus 4 is nothing. Minus step is done. Now we're going to bring down the number that's still left there. That's a 2. Right, so we've done our bring down step. Now we're going to go back to divide, and we're not going to divide 22 in there anymore. We're going to go into the number we've just written down. So you can see 22 will fit into 22 once. So let's go write that down. Okay, now we've done our divide step. Now we're doing our times step. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Times step done. Now our minus step. 2 minus 2 is nothing, and 2 minus 2 is nothing. Easy as that.